Hey there viewers, the Bank Insider here. Welcome to this easy to follow tutorial on how to get a stamped bank confirmation letter from the Standard Bank app. If you're new to our channel, this is your go-to place for insider tips on using fintech applications in South Africa. Handing over to you now, Juniper.
Thank you, sir. But before we get to the video, make sure you've installed the latest version of the Standard Bank app on your smartphone. Once you're logged into the Standard Bank app, follow these steps. 1. Select the account you need a confirmation letter for. 2. At the top right-hand corner, click the arrow next to Cards. Next, select Details at the top right-hand corner. 4. Scroll down and select your documents. 5. Look for the 3 dots next to Bank Account Confirmation Letter and click on them. 6. Finally, choose View and Save. And there you have it. Your official bank account confirmation letter will appear on your screen, complete with a stamp from Standard Bank.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe for more user-friendly guides. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of our next video. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, this is the Bank Insider signing off.